Hello, a very good day to all of you. Today is a very indeed exciting day for me. I just received my gift from DigitalOcean. I had taken part in a contest called Hacktoberfest 2020, and it was basically around the open source community, how to expand it, how so that people can get a part of it. And yeah, so today I got this parcel directly from USA Frankfurt, and let's try and see what is inside. Okay, so this should be easy. I don't think I need a pair of scissors. Yeah, so let's see the other things first. Okay, a lot of stickers. Stickers actually make me happy because it's nice on gadgets. So nice, good quality stickers. Yeah, won't remove the quality of gadgets. Yeah, Intel was also a sponsor. Good quality stickers, I would say. A lot of them also. Just present it so that you can see a whole view of what has been provided. Circle CI is a DevOps tool. So yes, you can see, and we got a cute letter from Intel as well. I will read it on a later stage. Yeah, the famous shark. And yeah, finally our t-shirt. Pretty excited to wear it in my office. Yeah, this is how it is. Yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. Do hit the subscribe and the like button. I will keep sharing my reviews and whatever I get or other part of my daily activities on a regular basis. That's all for now. Thank you.